baba umwana mwija baba ribindi it would make sense one of feeding those these kids.
Mumpe y'abana bato mbahereza obuji. Obuji bro. Next time. Tubariwo.
Wawire.
Shemererwa Uraba district. Mwana wanje kandi RDC assistant wa Rampara kandi assistant RDC mwana wanje Pole Katwire kandi nowe no mu kisinde chief cha PRU inopa kuturekera muno. My friend Ochichi, glad to see you here. Chairman witu w'abashuzi katiho kandi mwana wanje niwe bari kwisha. Banywana baje mwena bariyaha abaze kumara mukusoma basema na banyabo ombitinsa byanyu mukama witazimwe mukama na wakunda Bishamani kamutima kwera arikugira ati ebiro bine bimazira tindi cyenyine kina Israel tere natari kinji negara arikugira ati byone bingegira naje naninja koreje cyicire ekirabase kunyo mu mbere kikato mu mbere yo bwiga ngavuneze tera karkinji arikugira tenda president ho karkinji arikugira president yo kabuta Museveni abo tenda orenge akarkinji arikugira mwenye zira ndiko kutungureka yanja karkinji Najiramba kabirengo dikatase akakorashi mwena kuja msime Julius Karanga abeho akakinji akuja mwena baba skangunda coach kama akuja mwena baba simwe abeho mwena rizoba timwe na gababinji nijakobata barseyo no kusimba enterprise Uganda kuisha kubangura abantu bitu mukabato framework yokujanga baseko sesende kurungi indeed message y'umuhira neteba gace na message y'ihanga president yo Dr. Museveni ati yo sende zemingo mingi na waye ba parish government model yo no kweli bila zeine haro player mindset change ni believing chance chichi na team yeye you have definitely touched the mindset and you have changed it ni nchiriza ngwe eba shonita mbeni bukatira betine marbalos ngaka ezebe ni bariya ndimwe nyoga funomcha ebibyana abishoma ndio mwebezi hanga akashiba keminyeto kandi interacting ani omunongo muchire wire but ninyeziga ngo kusoma tukwayo okusoma is lifelong aho kusomera hona notechi waigaho nanye obiro unamara ni jambo ndechi na agaka kege ongani manyiwa mazao wire wingi omuza kugenda mutali ekimwize muri ekanta abasirya yo na nyama nyine marungi nabimanyi ngambani muza kwena nakora kandi omuzindaro bari sanitize akati nyine mali ongani nakusima honorable Amos Kankunda akubekwa tansa yawe yakashiko ka finance ninchiriza ngu nyetekire kishinde kirya ukatuganda akakolegi bawe nje twaje mu mobilizing tureke ntwija kandi jangu Rampara East bariyaha kandi bizire baza ku marobiye wingi abavuga Rampara East mutera kari kinji nengara ezama mereze Jereka babaririreje munonga bibonireje mwene mugareka kubaho nera zamu akwaga material itana project ndijo agro kandi je mshomera ne yanyu asigara nyembeleza omushomo muronji kandi ona bomori yagambe mwariyo mhana naija kandi nije yapiri yesu mwera ndonga ona bo minister ne Rampara yafe era tusunze bikasera mboja wana oyugumize chifo era nera manyine koze kati banga menejo wabade wano era nakura gine kaditete nekura banika bale saba katonda kongera mani emirimo ojja tamuze bulungi mwebale Uganda ni yeye kumanyana na
Hello. Bwenu batumwe munchize omukwechereza kwingi na rukundo mpango mwinchirize nyakire minisita witu mwingano witu omwebembezi witu Honorable Minister Balaam Barbara Ateni.
Amos Ankunda oye! Honorable Tusime. Then Honorable Asimwe. Honorable Kankunda, Tusime, Asime, so all is good. Mukama college. Genda kwasaba college kimu. Kubanze mwebere. Tuzina kazina twamukunda. You are my uncles and your Ugandans. I'm happy you are now running. Honorable Amos, this was the best you could do for the people of Rwampara. We want the people of Uganda to get out of poverty. Banyayuganda baliyo bakolere kida kida mukolere kida kyonka Museveni akwenda mukolere kida bali kubeera akasente akawunti ya banka tokuja kuteeka akawunti ya banka akasente otalina knowledge yokusevinga tokuja kuteeka akawunti mu banka akasente mu banka olaba olima ebikyole ebitagala profit olaba olima ebikaijo ekyuma kyebikaijo kiri kinyaala kandi nolima ebikaijo lwampala okuba mudoma omudoma ne mumanya omudoma nuwowa omusiru. So it is very, very important that Ankunda has thought about this initiative, and Honorable Sime and my sister Honorable Mwere, this initiative of training you and giving you skills to get out of poverty. Clap for yourself. I want to congratulate you. The President has a couple of programs in place. One of them is Parish Development Model, and where over 106 million got every parish of Uganda for development, for you to borrow without a land title. You just go to your chief and tell him, my name is Wargahara, tell me, I sit in this village, you know me, so I want 1 million capital to start work, and he gives you. Every year government will send 100 million, till when Museveni retire, and when he retires, when wars come, maybe it will go to 300 million per year. So I want to thank you, Ankunda, for empowering these women. Most of you can get the money, but you don't know how to use the money. The best way to use the money profitably well is when you acquire skills on the best business practice, how to keep your books, what business to do, what business brings in money first, and what business is bad. And I want to thank the people of Rampara. The cases of defilement in Rampara are minimal. Our Rampara to look at Rampara mukule kozerech ebikire kabale ndibayotto bakuli obutoko obuto obukyolo obuto omwana obuto so Rampara mwebale munono baitu ekizibu ekyo programs za government zonna zirimu okulongola. There is money, to borrow money, you need to know what you are going to use the money for. You need to know where to get the money and where to get the money. When to plant your food, when not to plant, which food is marketable. Right now the most selling good that everyone Rampara person should grow is coffee. Every person in Rampara, if you have orutoche, yongera mwani, chiro emwani, chiboko, erasiri kanani, kase, aramtaro kumene kuzinga. So you cannot know that unless you have brains and education. And this kind of training organized by government, powered by Enterprises Uganda. Enterprises Uganda already make some because the business said of money so to have amateur. They have brought in the best teachers to tell you the real world, the problems of the real world. They may not be rich themselves, but they have the ideas. And many people are learning from their ideas. Kwenda kusima muno munano wange Kankunda, wepikirano, I went and served the tea and rice. Muteke mikuona igura abali akachere. Mwari akachere? Kani na ywa chai wanu, swala tairemu mwingi agenda kubasisi. Ogo swali masaya yanagamuchi, tensa uyona. Swali ya wakwinji, uja kuraza wanu. Ogo swali no mubi. Swali no mubi. Nakochi. Kochi. Akochi yemela. Mutega akochi mugalo. Akochi mugalo. Banya Rampara. Mwebale koma akochi. Kani mwebale koma kusime. Kani mwebale koma Mwere. Abamantu bagale unopposite. Unopposite. Abaka unopposite mikode kya iguru. Alibo mchana wa nupa alibo mungugo namuleba. Kono wa nuko. Yesu amuyigure. Yomusabire. Ijana. microphone ikae
sia
nawasaidia nigana jekano jegu
temba hivi ari yako
ndio msawiri Saba mai minora mai sebera di murora. Abarombera muri shapu. Abarombera muri shapu. Ati gavumenti kwenda kuwanyisa. Gavumenti kaleta programu nyingi. Aro programu ya bachara ya grow ya World Bank. Bilioni 8 ya bachara bakora business kwehora. Aka small interest kandi training kwa yabusa. Bagenda kuleta waleta president Uganda na Amani. Baba sasule babegesi. Leo ngende wewe usasure ka 5%. Omaka kuona kali ora kuga milioni nina. Mugenda kuona kuga milioni nina mpaka milioni 12. Kali kwa msako za wachana mugenda kuona senti. Sente baje kuzima. Bali obomuli ngokutaba na sente mu ministry yange ya agenda. Sente nzuri wange mugenda abo sibaje akora na fsime na moli. Omurafsirika abandi ebyanyu. Mugatugambira omunywanyi wange kandi yeka batamanyire tinakunda muzi iyo ezo banamubuza tinakunda muzi tinimukunda kandi mbere nyinshi okunda muzi okuba wakunze kandi okuba okunze muzee kusele tokusobola kukunda muzee otakunda ki oyina kukunda omwana okunde Yesu okunde omwoyo ayikire okunde muzeeyi okunde mama Janet Museveni kandi mukunde Tugamo mukunde Rwampara mukunde Bunyoro mukunde Uganda yona mawura so twekunde abanyakishara ikana tukole ki tugozangane kole ki okugozangana is love for one another so abanyakishara tukole ki gavumenti omwaka ogweyire kawora bilioni 3 neraba musekirane banka
aho ni twaraho
notwaro that's Nazati oyineta okoyatunga sadike oyineta chao washiwa abakwenda kwa sendezo mulike nkora iko kazi mwasoma kwenda kutunga sente so kwenda kwa president aba program zile nyingi ati ni malira ukubasaba abantu Rwampara obo ni mumali ba madigri umkozi wakaba degree mazuri Amerika kida bakele kishani
Amerika ya wayo
Kitewano.
Aliyo vyona tunadukwa vyona ndayukwa hivi.
Iwe.
Tena sana.
Nikanda mwanzo kushabako kuga muzi. Kole twanyusi.
Jangu elezi. Nenda sana. Amos yebale kuteka. Yebale.
Munizera NP.
Mumongele kisanja. Mopi oye. Mozi. Museveni oye. Mozi Kene Rugaba oye. Amos oye. Rwampara oye. Akachere nukako. Kali timukunywa mate. Imeteka ucha. Ego. Buli omu yanywa babacumbira ennyama ag'amaizi gabata kunywa amate n'amate n'amaizi